Hello friends, welcome back to CMA Asan. I am Shamli Subramanian, and now you are watching CMA Final Direct Tax and International Taxation paper 16 on that study note 1. Assessment of various entities. What are these entities and what are the assessment procedure for it? What is the assessment procedure? The act of assessing the tax on such entity. Okay, what is the assessment procedure for it? We'll deal in this chapter. Okay, on that, first and foremost we have domestic company. Domestic company includes Indian company, and the so on definition you can read it from the study mat itself. You can understand. Total turnover. If the total turnover or gross receipts during the previous year 2019-20 does not exceed 400 crores, if the actual total turnover or gross receipts, I'm not talking about profit, I'm talking about the turnover part. What is the turnover part? Without deducting the actual expense. Okay, so the total turnover, if it does not exceed 400 crores during the previous year 1920, then the tax rate will be 25%. In any other case, in the other case it will be 30%, and for foreign company it will be 40%. Okay, this is the basic tax rate. On that we have surcharge. What is a surcharge? It is a charge which is surplus to the tax rate. Okay, and it will be vary with according to the company types. Okay, if it is a domestic company it will have a different surcharge, and if it is a foreign company it will have a different surcharge with respect to income limits. Okay, if it is less than or equal to 1 crore we'll have nil rate, and if the income is greater than 1 crore but less than 10 crore, then the surcharge rate will be 7%, and for a domestic company, and for a foreign company it will be 2%, and if it will be greater than 10 crore then we will have a surcharge rate of 12%, and for a foreign company it will be 5%. Okay, it is applicable to all the assessees, and the tax rate will be after surcharge. Okay, after surcharge we will have another tax rate called cess. What is cess? It will be collected for a particular purpose. For example, we have a Swachh Bharat cess, which means it is collected only for the purpose of cleaning India campaign, and we had education cess. It is collected only for education, promoting education. Okay, so on that like that we will have a mere cess rate of 4%. Okay, and after that we will have marginal relief concept. What is this marginal relief? We'll understand with the help of example. Okay, let the total income be 50 lakhs and 50 lakh 10,000. Okay, we'll compute tax on this part. So for 50 lakhs and 50 lakh 10,000 we will have up to 2.5 lakh we will have no tax rate, and assume the person will be of less than 60 years. Okay, so up to 2.5 lakh there is no tax, and above 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh we will have 5% tax rate. For that we will have 12,500 tax, and 5 to 10 lakh 20%, so we will have 1 lakh, and the balance income we will have 30%, so we will have 12 lakh and 12 lakh 3,000. So total tax will comes up to 13 lakh 12,500 and 13 lakh 15,500. So up to 50 lakh there is no surcharge, so the surcharge rate will be nil. And rebate under section 87A, it is for an individual. So this part is for an individual, and for individual the surcharge will be up to 50 lakh there is no surcharge. Okay, above 50 lakh to 1 crore there will be a surcharge of 10%. Okay, so up to 50 lakh there is no surcharge, and above 50 lakh there will be a surcharge of 10% which is applied on the tax amount. Okay, so 13 lakh 15,500 into 10%, we will have 1 lakh 31,550. so the total comes to 14 lakh 47,50. Okay, what is the difference between these two taxes? 1 lakh 34,550, but the difference between the income will be 10,000, which is lesser than the difference in taxes, which means as we have mere 10,000, as we have the income which is greater than of mere 10,000, we will have a more tax rate which is more than which will come around to 1 lakh 34,550. so we have to get some relief. No, So we will have to deduct these two amount, which is difference in income and difference of taxes. This difference will be marginal relief. Okay, a relief which is given marginally to reduce your tax burden. Okay, this marginal relief will be deducted from the total tax amount, which is 14,47,50. On that we will have 13,22,500. After that we will have cess, because surcharge cess will be after surcharge. No, I'll remind you, after surcharge the cess will be 4%. So after this surcharge, cess of 4% will be 52,900. So the total comes to 13,75,400. This is the actual tax amount, and the marginal relief will be 1,24,550. Okay, so we will end the class here. Next we will see in the 115BA. Okay, certain tax rate for domestic manufacturing companies. Okay, so we will see in this section. Okay, bye.